Hello, hello. Hey audience. So today I'm going to update you my previous day trade which I have took in the Euro and ZD pair. Here is my ongoing trade. As I already break this down, let me break this down trade again for my new viewers to understand why I took this trade. So as you can see, this is the very important support line. Let's start with the top down analysis. So as you can see from the last few year, we can say from the last 2022 and till 2026, market is just keep going on and on and on. This Euro and ZD pair is keep going on and uptrend, and from the last few months, from October 25th, so market is just consolidating and making the very important support here, which we can see. And on 20 January 2026, market just broke through this area on the 4-hour time frame. And when the market broke through this area, I do not enter right away because as you can see, market was already trending lower. And this is let me clear my philosophy. So suppose market want to go here to here, and uh, suppose if we want to enter this area, then we will, when the risk cover is 1 and the profit potential is 4. Okay, suppose we miss the area and we enter this area. Okay, our risk is this, let's say 2, and our profit potential is, let's say 3. Okay, let's 3. So suppose if we enter this area, then our risk is 3 and our profit potential is 1. So can you so as you can see, in the logical terms of view, this offer looks good instead of this one, third option. So that's why when the market already moving on the 4-hour time frame from here to here, so market is already moved around 293 pips, 1.45%. So market was already trending low, so I was waiting when the market moved and retraced to this area of resistance. Previous was support, then when the market break through and make an engulfing candle right around this area, so I entered this area. um, this was a good area, but in my point of view, this wasn't a great area, because as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, market made a very huge rejection candle. And on the daily time frame, you can clearly see market just made a doji candle, a kind of doji candle. So I shouldn't enter at this area. I should wait for when the market break through this neckline area, around 21st of January. This was the clear and best area for me to enter. But uh, great when I enter, so I will keep this in my mind, and you also guys keep this in my mind, in your mind, sorry. So when the market provide you this kind of pattern, try to avoid just entering when the market broke through the very important support or resistance, or when the market make this huge candle, because it can be a trap. it can be a trap. Okay, so when the market break through and start retracing, then this would be a pretty good area. Pretty good area. Why? Because is the high probability trade and low risk trade. So this is my analysis for Euro and ZD. The USD JPY pair is all is not triggered my entry, because my entry is below this area. I know it is a high risk trade, which I already explained you. Let me explain once more. So as you can see, when the market touch this area 162, or let's say 159, 160 Japanese yen per dollar, the central bank comes in and take the appropriate step to stabilize the Japanese yen. And we can also see there is a strong resistance area here and here. So when I saw this area and the market is just retracing a bit, so I was thinking that if the market break through this area of resist of support, when the market break through this area and retrace on the 4 hour time frame, then I will look for an entry. I know it's a bit risky. I should wait when the market close through this area of support. So market doesn't provide me any entry, so I will wait either this area or kind of any when the market provide me any opportunity. I also missed out an entry in GBP. Let me check which one the pair. Yeah, this was the pair, GBP Aussie pound sterling. So as you can see, when the market close below this important support area, I should enter at around this area, because this is my strategy what I use. But I don't know why I didn't enter. So I will keep this also in my mind and try to make a better analysis, and try not to miss out any important opportunity in the market. I know this opportunity will come later in, but but this is our responsibility to take the risk and try to capitalize the opportunity when the market provide me the opportunity. Okay, so for the viewer thanks for watching the video. And if you like the video, and thumbs up the video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.